Hey guys, this is NM from JM&NM Studios, and I'm going to be showing you how to make your own foam LARP sword. So, what you're going to need is foam, like a gym mat. Needs to be about 1 finger thick, so half an inch thick. You're going to need duct tape, your preferred cutting implement, so either a knife or scissors. Gonna need a Sharpie, a ruler, PVC cutters to cut your PVC to the length that you want, and that's about it. So what you need to do is think about what type of sword you want. So what I went for was kind of a straight-ish blade, but with a curve only on one side. A one-sided guard, so this is going to go the same direction as the curve, like that. And then that shaped pommel. And that's basically all there is to it. Once you cut out your pieces, you'll want 3 blades, 2 pommels, 2 guards. And I'll show you how to put it together. So what you need to do is cut out the center of one of these. So you'll get basically this. And then you're going to fit your PVC inside of that. And then put this on top, and then duct tape it in place, then flip it over and do the same thing. And then you're going to put this, duct tape it on right there, and then on the other side too. Duct tape on the pommel, then wrap the pommel in, wrap the handle in electrical tape. Okay, so now we've got the basic sword shape laid out, but as you can see, we are still quite a ways from getting done. So what we're going to need to do is going to need to cover the blade, the guard, and the pommel with duct tape, and then cover the handle with electrical tape. Then we should be done. So that's how you'll make your own LARP sword.